Hey guys, this video is going to teach you how to install Dropbox on your computer and how to use Dropbox, and then it'll also teach you how to install TeamViewer on your computer. So the first thing we'll do is Dropbox. The first thing you're going to do is go to your browser and go to Dropbox.com and just choose the one that's not for business. You do not want to do the one that's business. And all you're going to do is come over here and sign up for free, and just do the little thing. It'll ask you for your full name, your email, and then a password. And once you're there, I'll show you what it's going to do for you. Um, okay, once you're in, this is what it'll look like. Just ignore all these folders over here. These will not be here on yours. Um, how you use Dropbox, you can use it on the internet, just like you see here, but it is a lot easier if you install it on your computer. It's a lot easier to use because you use it just like you would a normal folder inside your computer. So I'll teach you how to do that real quick. All you do is come over here to this smiley face, click on it, and click install, and then download Dropbox. And from there it'll take you through the steps if you click on it. Do you want to allow this device to make changes to your computer? Yes, you do. And once you do that, it's already installed on my computer, so I can't redo it. And once you do that, it'll take you through the steps, and it'll pop up and walk you through a few steps of what Dropbox is and how to use it. And then it'll pop up on your computer. Right here is where it'll pop up. It'll pop up right here, or either down here just like this. And what you're going to do is, once you've installed it, you can call into our office, and what I will do is create you a folder, and you'll see when you click on this Dropbox folder, you'll see your folder. Just for example, if your lot name is Sheds Direct of Granite Falls, you'll see a folder that says Sheds Direct of Granite Falls, and when you open it up, say we'll just use Barn Country Storage for example. Say this one's your folder, you open it up, and anytime you have an order that you need to put in here, all you do is scan it to your computer, and just say we go to our documents, say that's where all your scans go to, you just right click it, copy, and then you go to your Dropbox and your Barn Country Storage folder, and you paste it inside of there. From there you'll see it's loading in with this blue refreshing symbol. Once it has the green arrow, that means it's on both sides. So that means that I can see it and you can see it. So what will happen is, once you've installed it on your computer, you're going to call me and I'm going to send you an email, and it's going to invite you to your folder. It'll be the name of your lot, and from there you'll accept the email and it'll show up in your Dropbox, and that's where this right here is what your folder is going to look like, and you'll be able to put your orders into there. Really the only time you'll ever use Dropbox is if for some reason your internet is down, or if Compass, the online ordering system, is down for some reason. Sometimes we'll send random documents through Dropbox, and anytime you send something through Dropbox, just call and make sure we did get it, because Dropbox does have some times where it does not want to sync over the orders, so just call and make sure we got it. Okay, so that's how you use Dropbox and install Dropbox. So the next thing we're going to do is TeamViewer. TeamViewer is a program that we use on your computer, and it just allows us to jump on your computer from here in our corporate office and take control of your mouse and walk you through certain things that just need that kind of training. So the first thing you're going to do is go to your browser and go to teamviewer.com, and as if the big green symbol didn't mean download, you're going to click the download TeamViewer, and you're going to click on this down here, and you're going to do the basic installation, and you're going to do the personal non-commercial, exactly what it clicks for you, and then you're going to accept and finish. And once you accept and finish, how you do want to allow it to make changes to your computer, so just click yes. And it's probably going to pop up and tell me that I already have it on my computer, because I already do. But I'll show you, once you get through these little steps, what will happen is it'll pop up just like this, and it'll give you an ID and a password. Now, this is great for the first time you're using it. You can just call in and we'll ask you for your ID and password. Boom, here it is. But once you exit out of this, say you exit out of it, you're going to be wondering, how can I find this again on my computer? So what you're going to do is come down here to this little folder and go to your downloads, and you will see here you've got TeamViewer. The one you want to look for though is TeamViewer. That's the setup. The TeamViewer you want to look for is just type in TeamViewer, and you'll see this QS-EN. That is the one you want to mess with, because that's the actual program. All the rest of these are just the downloads. So this QS, the one I've got highlighted here, if you right click on it and send it to desktop create shortcut, that'll put it over here on your desktop. So if you go over here, you see up here on mine, that's where mine is. So whenever you do that, you're done, and every time you just come right here and click on it, and you've got your ID and password. And so that is how you install TeamViewer, and all you'll ever really have to do is give us your ID and password, and we will do everything from there. So now today you've learned how to install and use Dropbox, and how to install and use TeamViewer. If you ever have any questions on either of these, you can call into our office and talk to either Jason or Bo, and our phone number is 828-212-1378, or if you're in the Northeast District, you can call us at 330-754-2003. Thank you.